1, action. Hello guys, this is TianChad here. So today I want to share tips very important to all the Samsung user out there. So as you can see, I'm shooting using this full mode. The ratio is full, where you can see everything on the screen without any button or just simplified. But do you know that what you can see right here could be so much more? So actually the more recommended ratio will be 3/4, which is this one. So whenever you take photo like using the front or rear camera, it's better to use this 3/4 ratio so that you can take selfie with more people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or even more. Because whenever you use this like a full mode, it's more suitable for you to take photo like a wallpaper, for your phone wallpaper, like this place, 𝗟𝗜𝗏𝗧𝗏 right here right now blooming. So it's very nice place and nice time to capture, because I purposely choose this time to capture photo because it's the sunset time, so a little bit of light. And so yes, another thing that I would like to share, what is it already? Okay, yes. When was the last time you print photo? Like if you capture photo using this view, your photo will be very long and slim and cropped. But whenever you try to use this 3/4, that will be more suitable when you print out your photo, because usually all the photo print out is like a 3/2 ratio. So don't waste your capability of your smartphone, especially Samsung users. So to all Samsung users, make sure to share this video and tips, photography tips, to your friend, your family, auntie, uncle, or anyone who use Samsung when they are taking photo using the full mode. So thank you once again. This is TianChad here, and stay tuned for my next photography tips video. See you. Bye. Capture more, especially when you're in a space where the place is very small and cramped. And if you use 3/4, you can actually capture more people in wider lens. Let me try to switch the camera right in front. Tada, super wide. And let's see once again. If I choose it like full, it becomes cropped, which is not so nice. So 3/4, fully utilize your lens.